the question of who is accountable for a given outcome is a critically important one. At the level of an individual business, I think it's important to assign accountability for actions of AI agents to cross-functional business leaders who have the wherewithal, the full understanding of all the issues that are impacting a given company. And rather than pawning off risk acceptance decisions on security and compliance leaders, I would say that companies should choose people who are accountable for the bottom line in terms of profit and loss to make these types of decisions and to be accountable for AI agent actions. At the policy level, I think it's important that the government allow companies to assign accountability and transfer it throughout the supply chain. I've been pretty critical of some former Biden administration initiatives to essentially come up with a set of best practices for cybersecurity and essentially have the government establish what is acceptable and was not acceptable. I don't think that's the right approach. What I think the right approach is to simply assign a value to a given outcome and say, if you breach one social security record, then your fine is X dollars, and then allow companies to transfer that risk throughout the supply chain and make it a business decision. We've done this a lot in the healthcare space, for example, with business associate agreements. This is something that's already live right now. It's not really a huge innovation from a policy perspective. So if you let companies transfer the risk, then the organizations that can manage it most cost effectively will do that. And no one likes losing money. So the market will optimize for not losing money and come up with the best outcome while at the same time delivering value to consumers through these AI systems.